Welcome to Talk with Spake, a calm place to slow down and breathe.
A place where we think softly, feel safely, and learn calmly.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt so stressed that you couldn't think clearly?
Your thoughts raced, your chest felt tight, and simple decisions felt heavy,
You knew what to do.
but your mind felt blocked.
If this sounds familiar,
Stay with us.
today we are not here to fix everything,
We are here to slow things down.
because clear thinking,
Begins with calm,
not with pressure.
not with rushing.
Today we are talking about thinking clearly under stress,
Stress at work, stress at home,
stress from decisions.
stress from expectations.
In this episode,
You will learn
why stress blocks your thinking,
how to calm your mind.
and how to make clearer decisions even in hard moments.
When stress appears,
Your brain goes into survival mode
it stops thinking deeply.
and starts reacting quickly.
This is not weakness.
It is biology,
Your brain is trying to protect you.
but protection often blocks clarity. Many people try to think harder,
When they feel stressed,
but thinking harder.
creates more pressure.
So the first step,
Is not thinking.
it is calming.
When stress rises,
Pause.
not for long.
Just a few seconds.
This pause tells your brain,
I am safe.
and safety brings clarity.
Now let's talk about breath.
Under stress, we breathe shallow.
Shallow breath creates shallow thinking.
So take one slow breath in
Hold gently.
and breathe out slowly.
This small act,
Clears space in the mind. Stress often says,
you must solve everything now,
but clear thinking,
starts with one step.
not the full solution.
Ask yourself,
What is the next calm step?
when stress is high,
Thoughts start racing.
one thought jumps to another.
Your mind feels crowded.
So here is a gentle reset.
Name one thought.
Just one.
Say it softly inside.
Naming slows the mind.
And slow thoughts are clearer thoughts. Under stress,
We react quickly,
reaction is fast.
but often unclear
Response is slower.
and clearer.
So before responding,
Pause.
ask yourself,
Is this urgent or just loud?
that question creates space,
Clarity needs space,
not more information.
not more pressure.
Just a little space.
You can create space.
By slowing your body,
Relax your jaw.
drop your shoulders.
Your mind follows your body.
Big decisions feel heavy.
When stress is present,
So don't decide everything.
decide the smallest next step.
Small decisions
Restore confidence.
and confidence,
Clears thinking. Stress mixes facts and fear.
they start to feel the same.
So gently separate them.
Ask, what do I know for sure?
What am I guessing?
Facts calm the mind.
Fear fades in clarity.
Strong emotions block thinking.
Not because emotions are bad, but because they are loud.
So don't push emotions away. Acknowledge them.
Say softly, I feel stressed.
Naming emotions reduces their intensity.
Stress loves multitasking.
Clarity loves focus.
Do one thing.
Finish one small task,
Completion creates calm.
and calm brings clarity. Under stress,
We try to solve the future,
many problems at once,
but the future,
does not need answers now.
come back to the present.
The present is manageable.
Clear thinking,
Is not a personality trait,
it is a skill.
a skill you can practice.
Every pause
Every calm breath
strengthens this skill. Stress often creates overthinking.
thoughts go in circles,
You think more.
but understand less.
Clear thinking is different.
It is simple.
It focuses on what matters now.
So, when you notice overthinking,
Gently stop.
ask one calm question.
What matters most right now
The way you talk to yourself?
shapes your thinking.
Stressful self-talk sounds like,
I can't handle this.
calm self-talk sounds like,
I will take this one step at a time.
kind words?
Create a clearer mind. Work stress is common.
Deadlines, emails, expectations.
When work feels heavy,
Pause before replying.
read the message slowly.
Then respond calmly.
Rushed replies,
Create more stress.
calm replies,
Reduce it. You can reset your mind.
anytime.
Step away for 1 minute.
Look at something simple.
Breathe slowly.
This reset,
Brings clarity back.
sometimes stress comes,
From people.
their emotions.
Their expectations.
Remember this,
You don't need to carry their stress.
you can listen.
Without absorbing.
That boundary
Protects clarity. A tired mind?
cannot think clearly.
Rest is not laziness.
Rest is maintenance.
Sleep, breaks, quiet time?
They support clarity. Over time,
You become someone?
who thinks clearly under stress,
Not because stress disappears.
but because you know how to slow it.
This is an identity shift.
I am someone who pauses,
Clarity grows daily.
not only in big moments.
Slow one conversation.
Finish one task fully.
Breathe before decisions.
These small habits,
Build a clear mind.
feeling stressed,
Does not mean you are failing.
it means something matters,
Care and clarity,
can exist together.
when guided gently.
Some stress is emotional,
Not logical, not practical.
just emotional.
In those moments.
Clear thinking feels far away.
So don't force logic.
First, soothe the emotion.
A calm emotion.
Allows clear thought.
When emotions are strong,
The body leads.
so calm the body first.
Slow your breathing.
Unclench your hands.
Relax your face.
The mind follows the body.
Stress often brings urgency.
Decide now. Fix this now.
Urgency clouds thinking.
Ask yourself gently.
Can this wait 10 minutes?
Often, the answer is yes.
Those 10 minutes,
Restore clarity. Calm decisions feel quiet.
they don't shout,
They don't rush.
but they last longer.
Trust calm decisions.
Even when stress wants speed, sometimes you truly don't know.
That is okay.
Clarity doesn't mean certainty.
It means honesty.
Say,
I don't know yet, and that's fine.
this honesty,
Reduces mental pressure. Clear thinking grows.
with self-trust,
Trust that you can pause.
trust that answers arrive slowly.
Trust yourself under stress.
That trust,
Keeps the mind steady.
stress will return.
That's part of life.
Don't see it as failure.
See it as a reminder.
To pause again.
To breathe again.
To think clearly again.
Try this each day.
Ask yourself,
How full is my mind right now?
if it feels crowded,
Slow down something small.
one task, one thought,
That small shift,
create space. Clarity is not force.
it is gentleness.
It arrives
When you stop pushing,
when you allow space.
when you slow down, every calm pause,
Every gentle breath
every honest moment,
is teaching your mind
you are learning.
to think clearly under stress. Over time, clear thinking becomes familiar.
You don't panic as quickly.
You don't rush decisions.
You trust pauses.
This is not luck.
This is practice.
You become someone
Who thinks clearly, even when stressed. Stress creates noise.
Many thoughts talking at once.
Clear thinkers reduce noise.
They choose silence.
They limit input.
Less news, less rushing, less multitasking.
Quiet space.
Supports clear thinking. Stress often enters relationships
Through words.
through reactions.
Through misunderstandings.
Clear thinking helps you pause.
Before responding emotionally.
It helps you listen.
Before defending.
Calm thinking.
Creates healthier conversations. Sometimes
The stress is not yours.
it belongs to someone else.
Their worry.
Their urgency.
Clear thinking allows you.
To stay calm inside.
You can support.
Without absorbing.
Let's make this practical.
Choose one moment daily
Morning or evening.
to check in with your mind.
Ask gently.
What is weighing on me?
Name it.
Then release what can wait.
This ritual
Keeps the mind light. Clear thinking.
is not emptiness.
It is direction.
It is knowing
What matters now.
and letting the rest rest. Sometimes
The clearest choice.
is not deciding yet,
Waiting.
is also action.
A calm one.
Trust that timing.
There will be days
When life feels heavy,
when stress feels loud.
on those days,
Don't ask for clarity.
ask for rest.
Rest prepares clarity.
Whenever you feel lost,
Return to your breath.
breath is always present.
One slow inhale
One gentle exhale.
is enough to begin again.
Every pause you take,
Every breath you notice
every moment you slow down,
is shaping your mind.
you are building.
A calm, clear way of thinking.
Clear thinking is not something special.
It is something daily,
In small choices,
in small pauses,
in the way you answer a message,
or delay a decision,
clarity lives.
in how gently you treat your mind. Over time,
You start trusting your thinking,
not because it is fast.
but because it is calm.
Calm thinking feels steady.
It does not rush you.
It guides you.
There will be days
When stress feels too much,
when thinking feels heavy.
on those days,
Do less.
breathe more.
Rest is not quitting.
Rest is preparing clarity. Clear thinking,
Is not about controlling everything.
it is about accepting
What you can handle now,
and letting go,
of what can wait. Your mind remembers calm.
even when stress returns.
Each pause
Each breath,
leaves a mark
a quiet reminder.
that clarity is possible.
Before we end,
Let's do one last gentle thing.
wherever you are,
Place your feet on the ground.
relax your shoulders
Take one slow breath in.
and breathe out softly
Feel the space.
in your mind.
You don't need to think perfectly.
You don't need all answers today.
You only need.
One calm step.
Clarity grows from kindness to yourself,
Thank you for spending this calm time with us.
for slowing down and listening to yourself. If this conversation,
Brought you even a little clarity.
then it was worth sharing.
Remember
Stress will come,
that you can meet it calmly,
with pauses,
with breath.
with gentle thinking,
We'll meet again.
in another calm conversation.
Until then,
Slow down
think gently.
and trust your mind.
This is Talk with Spake.